Let every lamp be burning bright, the darkest hour of first long night, before the Lord's appearing. Then trim your lamps, my brethren dear, then trim your lamps with godly fear. The Master's coming, drawing near.
The door through which she shoots for this time is to find entrance to many homes.
The pioneer work
of the gospel.
of the gospel. The door. You see here the symbolism. It's the pioneer work of the gospel. The door through which, what is to enter? When you have won the confidence of the people, you do not open the door to your pocket so that no money can flow in. You allow them to open the door so that you can come what? You can come in with the gospel of salvation. The next one.
It is the right hand of the gospel. Medical missionary work is the right hand of the gospel. It is necessary to the advancement of the cause of God. As through it, men and women are led to see the importance of right habits of living. The saving power of the truth will be made known. Every city is to be entered by workers trained to do medical missionary work, as the right hand of the third angel's message. God's methods of treating diseases will open doors for the entrance of present truth.
The CEB, that's the application for Common English Bible, Gospel Parallels, locates similar texts from each of the 4 New Testament Gospels in parallel columns for easy comparison. Trying to make the 4 Gospels, Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, to be easily compared. This can be helpful for a variety of approaches to study the Gospels. Among the contributions of the Gospel writers, those various writers or evangelists, 2 are primary for study of the Gospels as literature. When you want to look at it as a literature, there are 2 primary things we have to look at, and what are they? The first is
I arrived on Wednesday morning. It has been interesting, actually. I'm seeing the hand of God leading us, actually calling us to come and participate in this medical missionary work for Him. Okay. Yeah, I would, because with the experience I am gaining here, I would like others to also try to acquire the same knowledge with me, to be trained as medical missionary worker.
Let every lamp be burning bright, the darkest star is nearing, the darkest star on earth's long night, before the Lord's appearing. Then trim your lamps, my brethren dear, trim your lamps with godly fear. The Master's coming is drawing near. Let every lamp be burning.